Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let's learn how to cook quinoa perfectly. Now quinoa is a superfood, super grain. Everyone is using it a lot these days. There are so many dishes you can make with it. You can make pulao, or the boiled quinoa can be added to your salads, to the soups, or to the waffles, pancakes, dosas, uttapams. So many ways we can use the quinoa. And even the quinoa flour is available. We can make rotis with it. So today let's go and see how we can boil it perfectly without losing the nutrition. The water has to be perfect so that we don't drain it and the nutrition is lost that way in the drained water.
Now we are going to first soak the quinoa. Measure it. Take about 1 cup. Pour sufficient water. And set it aside at least for 1 hour. If you don't have time to soak quinoa, you can cook it straight away, but it may take a little longer and little more water. Now set this aside for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you'll see the grains are soaked and puffed up. Rinse them a little. Now drain this water. Take a strainer and strain the quinoa. Now it is ready to be cooked. Put it in a pan. For 1 cup of quinoa, you add exactly 2 cups of water. If it is not soaked, add 2 to 3 tablespoons more. Put it on a high flame. Add about half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and bring it to a boil on a high flame. Remove this froth on top with a spoon. Now you can reduce the flame to medium and place a lid on top. Leave a little gap as the water should not overflow. After 5 minutes, you can completely close the lid. Check it out after 15 minutes. The quinoa is perfectly cooked. All the water is soaked up. You can see that it is well done. It may look mushy, but it is not. After keeping for some time, it becomes grainy. Now close the gas and place the lid on top. Cover it well so that it cooks in its own heat. Now the quinoa is ready to be dished out. Remove it in a bowl. Now you can refrigerate it for up to 2 to 3 days. Use it as and when you require for salads or any other purpose, for pancakes, whatever you like. You can make multigrain quinoa waffles, fruit and quinoa salad, gram flour and quinoa pancakes, quinoa pulao, or quinoa khichdi.
So friends, this is the way you can boil the quinoa and store it for a couple of days in the fridge. Now it's really quite nice and grainy. You can use it as and when required in your dishes, and you can even toss some vegetables and make like Chinese fried rice style. That also tastes very good. I'll be coming up with more quinoa recipes soon. Stay tuned.